Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to share with you my current luxury wish list. So I'm always running a list of things that I may be interested in picking up, but there's a few things that are like really pressing. These things are things that I'm really like planning on purchasing or really like to get soon. Let's just get into my luxury wish list. The number one thing on my wish list is an item that I've been eyeing up since my birthday, and it is my first piece of jewelry by Cartier. So I'm looking to get the Cartier Clou ring, which is the Cartier nail ring. It is definitely on my wish list in the white gold, and I would like the thinner version. I think it's the small version of it. So I've been looking to pick it up since my birthday. I've gone in Cartier a few times to have a look at it, and my local Cartier boutique never has the ring available in my size. So that is definitely on my wish list. I'm sure the time will be right here soon and I will be able to pick it up. Guys, number two, the second thing on my wish list is another piece of jewelry, but this is by Hermes. I am so wanting to pick up the Hermes Clic Clac Bracelet. I'm looking again for the smaller, thinner version with the black and white and silver tone hardware. So if you know, the Clic Clacs come in all different colors, but I really only want to add jewelry to my collection that I can wear every day. So for the Clic Clac, I would like it in black and white with silver tone hardware, and I think it would pair so nicely with the Monica Vinader bracelet that I wear daily already. So yes, the Clic Clac, cannot wait. I honestly, I have an upcoming vacation planned, and I hope I have it for vacation or pick it up during vacation, so we'll see. So item number three, the next item on my wish list is another Hermes item. So it's already August, and I picked up some sandals at the beginning of summer, but this pair of sandals from Hermes, I've just kind of been constantly on my mind, and I really want to pick them up. I'm leaning towards getting them in white or the brown. I'm not sure what color I'd pick them up in, but the Hermes Oran sandals are definitely on my wish list for summer 19. I would love to add that to my shoe collection. So number four, guys, I have to throw in a handbag, right? Actually, it's not considered a full-size handbag. It's considered a small leather good. But another Chanel wallet on chain. If you guys know, I already own a Chanel wallet on chain in black. I have the Le Boy wallet on chain, and I did not realize how much use I would get out of that. That's kind of like my everyday grab and go bag at this point. I also think it's phenomenal for travel because you can pack it and use it as a full-size wallet and pack it into a bigger bag, but then when you're on vacation, you have your wallet on chain to use as a evening bag, or when you're out sightseeing or shopping or whatever. I just think it's just genius. So I would really like to add another wallet on chain to my collection, but in a pop of color. I was thinking a red, definitely silver hardware, guys. Let me know what you think down below. What color should I get? I already have a black wallet on chain, so I don't want to get another black. I want to get a pop of color, but with only silver hardware, guys. Let me know down below what color I should get. Since I went for an SLG, I figured let me think of a full-size handbag that I would want to pick up. On my wish list right now, sad to say, I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this, guys. So number five, like I said, I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this. I would love the Saleen Luggage in the nano size, black drums leather silver hardware. If you know kind of why I'm not that excited to admit that this on my wish list, it's because I previously owned this bag. I had this bag back in 2013, and I sold it about going into 2015. I kind of felt like the hype was dying down with the bag, and I wanted to sell it before the value of the bag significantly decreased. So I do feel this bag is kind of like, at this point, it is a little dated, I would say. I still love it, which is why I would love to replace it. However, what sucks about it is the price of the bag has continuously increased since the time that I owned it. That kind of sucks to repurchase something I already had, and I would have to spend more if I wanted to go for it again. I have been contemplating this decision for a while, and the longer I've sat on it, the more the price has increased. So I feel like I just need to like suck it up and repurchase it at this point. But yeah, sad to admit, I had such kind of seller's remorse about that bag. Not initially, I think it was about 2 years, I sold it like at the end of 2014. So I would say about 2016, 2017 was 2 full years later after selling it. I started to think, should I have sold that bag? I really, really loved using it. It was really such a fun grab and go bag. I think the nano size makes it, because mini bags are definitely in. I don't think I would go for a luggage in the mini or the micro size, but definitely the nano I think is still doable, especially not the tricolor, like definitely black with the silver tone, the black drum leather with the silver toned hardware. I want to repurchase a bag that I've previously owned and decided to sell. That sucks. Let me know your comments about that down below. So that's it, guys. That's my current luxury wish list. These are things that I'm itching to pick up. Like, oh, I can't wait to get my hands on all of those things. Definitely look at I kind of listed them in priority. My #1 thing right now is my Cartier ring. And then from there, I will get the Clic Clac. So those 2 things, hopefully, I will be unboxing for you soon on this channel. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.